Before proceeding on to the video, subscribe to my channel Versatile Knowledge. Hit the bell beside the subscribe button in order to get notified whenever a new video goes on air in my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to another special episode of my channel Versatile Knowledge. In this video, I will be doing the unboxing and review of a very special product, the Western Digital 2 TB external hard disk. And I got this, I purchased this product from Amazon for 5,800 rupees, and I'll be putting up the direct links in the description below if you want to buy one for yourself. So let's get started with the review. This is the box package of the Western Digital hard disk that I got from Amazon, and I must say, Amazon has really reduced the box packaging quality, guys. Before, Amazon was making even a small package. If you order from Amazon, the box would have been packed 4 or 5 layers. But I have ordered a 5,800 rupee gadget, and see how bad is the box packaging is. Flipkart has improved the box packaging, and Amazon has decreased the box packaging quality. I have got rid of all those covers. Let me now slide this hard disk from this external packaging that I got from Amazon. I need to cut this tape first, and then I need to, yeah, here we go. This is the box. This is the box of the actual hard disk. Let me keep that cardboard to the side. And here we go. This is the package of the Western Digital hard disk. This is the box package, and it is a quite a big, quite small box package when compared to the 2 TB hard disk. You may feel it is a 2 TB hard disk. The box will be larger, but it's no, it is a very small box package. And on the top side, Western Digital Elements has been written, WD symbol has been written, and when we take this to the side, we'll get to see some details like compatibility information has been written. It is compatible with almost all the computers that is present, from Windows, Ubuntu to Macs, etc. This is the compatibility information that has been written on the side, and this is it. Windows, Ubuntu, Mac, everything is supported, guys. When we take it to the back side of the box package, the MRP has been written as somewhat around 11,400 rupees, but no, we'll be getting this product for 5,800 rupees from Amazon. And also on Flipkart there was an offer on this. If you want to buy, I'll be putting up the links in the description for Flipkart also. 30-day trial backup software has been included, that has been written onto the side, and certain other information has been written on the side of the box package. Basic storage element has been written, and certain other information about who is the manufacturer, etc. has been written. And now let me take out the seal. Most important thing is that seal. When you take any product like a smartphone or any gadget, that seal, that is very important. Let me just get rid of that seal. That is to hold the hard disk, and make sure that seal is correct. If the seal is not, if the seal is broken, or if you feel it is tampered, you need to get the replacement. Fortunately, in my case, the seal is perfectly in place. I will get rid of this seal, and the seal is. I'm trying to remove it. Sticker, and yeah, yes, I have got rid of this sticker, and let me put it on this side. Yeah, I'll now remove the hard disk opening uh, from the box package. This, I'm trying to remove the cover now. Yes, this is how it slides out, and let me slide out the case in which the hard disk will be placed. This is the case in which the hard disk is placed, guys. Very important. Yeah, this is the place where hard disk has been placed. This is a plastic casing, and when we turn it over, and this is the hard disk itself. And as you can see, the hard disk has been placed on the front side, and let me take out a hard disk first, which has been protected by a simple cover. Yeah, let me keep my scissors to the side, and let me keep that hard disk, and see what else we get inside the box. This is just a quick start guide that we get with a normal smartphones like thing, and it tells that it is a USB 3.0 hard disk. The Western Digital is a brand, and Elements is the hard disk, and this is a newer model, guys, 2017 model, and this is just a quick start information how to use this hard disk with your computers, laptops, etc. And one thing is this, even this is a USB 3.0, and it should support speeds up to 100 to 150 megabytes per second. And let me keep it to the side and see what else we get inside the box. And this is the USB cable that we should attach with the hard disk, external hard disk, and connect it to the computer. It has been given put inside the case, and let me keep this quick start guide and all things inside the box before we proceed further. Mm, Let me keep this inside the box. Just wait for a second. I have put this thing inside the box, and now I'll be keeping the box to the side. Mm, Yes, I've put the box and kept to the side. And this is the USB cable, guys. And I must say the quality of the USB cable is pretty good. And it's not like it is a brittle or a very low quality wire. It is a good quality wire. And the first look after I open the cover of the hard disk is that the hard disk is absolutely great in terms of the build quality. As you can see, it is very much bulky. It is heavyweight hard disk. It is a great build quality hard disk, and not much of the textual information has been written on it. Just a Western Digital element has been. On to the right side, it is a very thick hard disk, and and onto the back, and there is nothing has been written except that hard Western Digital has been written. And let me turn it over to the this side. On this side you don't get anything, and no buttons or somewhat like that. On the top side you'll get this slot, and there is an LED lighting to make sure that your hard disk is connected or not. And that is the slot where you need to connect the wire, and the other end will be connected to the computers. And guys, let me show you how you need to connect that wire to the hard disk. And yeah, when you connect the cable to the hard disk, the other end will be connected to the computers, guys. This is how. When you are first time connecting the cable to the hard disk, be sure, make sure that you don't connect it in the wrong way. Mm, just connect it like that. Yes, that's it. It has been successfully connected, and the other end of that cable will go into the computer, guys. Now, I will show you guys how to set this up while connecting to the computer. This is my laptop and this is the hard disk. I will connect it towards the left side, and because in my laptop on the left end is the USB 3.0 port. If you connect this USB to 3.0 hard disk to 2.0 port, you will not get that much speed. So I'm connecting it to the USB 3.0 port. And as you can see, that is the port. And let me turn on the laptop first, and later I will get gonna connect it this hard disk to my laptop, guys. Let me turn on the laptop first. Hmm, Laptop is turned on. Let me open the lock, and yes, we are in. And now let me show you guys how to set up this hard disk. After you connect the hard disk to the USB 3.0 port onto your laptop, the drivers will be installed. It is just a 1 minute or less than a minute. The driver will get installed right after you connect the hard disk. Mm, I just plugged in the hard disk onto my laptop, and as you can see on the bottom bar, the hard disk's driver has been successfully installed. Now, just refresh it once, refresh the device once, refresh your laptop once, and then go to this PC or my computer. Open my computer. When you open my computer, that Western Digital Elements drive or the hard disk drive will be displayed. It's just a plug and play process, as I told guys. And here when we open the hard disk, we'll get uh, the space that we get in the out of the 2 terabytes is around 1.81 terabytes. Hmm. Hmm. Here, let's go to the properties and let's check out. And the name has been written elements, and elements, the name has of the drive has been written. And they have shown 243 MB has been used, and 1.81 terabytes free space is available, and other properties has been written on this hard drive. Hmm, let's close this bar, and now let's check out what is the speed of the hard disk by trying to transfer certain files. And these are certain properties that we are just checking out, guys. Let us close it. Yes, okay. Let me close it. And this is the hard disk as I'm showing. And when you open it, by default certain files, certain folders, and certain documentation will be present, and those are very important things. This is certain software, certain drivers will be present inside that hard disk. By default, you make sure you create one separate folder for that, for those built-in files. You don't delete those files, and create one separate folder and transfer those files onto that folder, guys. I'm creating this folder, Western Digital files, important files, and now I will transfer all the remaining files to the newly created folder. Now I have transferred all those files which we got when we first opened the hard disk, and I transferred it to this folder. Now let me transfer some files that is present on my laptop to the hard disk so that I can get to know the speed of the hard disk, guys. Now I will see one document. I will just send it to. As you can see, I'm sending it to the Elements Edge, that is the newly connected drive. And this is just a PDF. I have to the transferring of the small files will be really quick. You can't even see how fast it gets transferred. If you want to see how fast it is, we need to transfer certain big files like those of more than 1 GB. Let me transfer some videos. Yeah, I have this video called Africa. I will now copy that and paste it onto my drive. Now I have pasted it, and as you can see, we are getting somewhat around 65 to 70 megabyte per second of speed. Since it was just a small file of around 450 MB, we can't get to know the top speed of this hard disk. If you transfer larger files like that of 2 GB, 3 GB, you can get to have a speed of around more than 100 to 150 megabytes per second, guys. If you have liked this video, please share this video with your friends, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos as this one, and hit the bell just beside the subscribe button in order to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded onto my channel. And that's it for this video, guys. I'll catch up with you guys in my next one. Thank you.